Hey, this is day 4 of 100 days, 100 business ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. Look, right now local businesses are dying to be on Instagram and TikTok, but most of them suck at it. They post once every 3 weeks, blurry photos, 0 captions, and wonder why no one cares. That's your opportunity. You offer this: short, vertical, captioned reels. Go to a barbershop, a bakery, a gym. Film 30 seconds of behind-the-scenes footage, add captions, add trending music. Done. Show them what their video could look like. Send a sample, then say, I can make these for you every week, $100 a month. That's one client. You land $500 per month. You don't need a fancy camera. Your phone is enough. Use free editing apps like CapCut or VN. You don't even need to be on camera. Just film, edit, send. Over and over. And here's the thing, small businesses are busy. They don't want to learn TikTok trends or how to add captions. They just want results. You become their plug, their content machine, their shortcut to relevance. I know people your age making $3,000 a month just managing short-form content for 8 to 10 clients. You don't need 1 million followers. You don't need a ring light or a studio. Just go outside, talk to one local business, show them what they're missing, then fill the gap. That's real service, real income, and real leverage. For more ideas, please subscribe and comment. See you next time.